Welcome to Pixels First Takeaway Restaurant Management Software Tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to create a menu in your application. Let's jump right in. Start by launching the application. When the login window pops up, select your user profile from the list on the right, enter your password, and hit the Login button. First, let's learn how to create a category for menu. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see the ribbon menu at the top. Click on the Menu Settings button. It will open up the drop-down. From the drop-down, select the Category option. Now to create a menu, we will start by creating a new category. To create a new category, select a menu in which you want to add the category. For now, let's click Menu 1, then click the Add button in the top section. Now, move your attention to the bottom panel to fill in the details of new category. Enter your category name. We'll use pizza for this example. Simply select Top-Level option from drop-down and add a short description. To add image of category, click the rectangular hollow box to upload an image from your computer. If you don't have an image, you can choose a background color instead. If your items require specific combinations, select a mix or dressing from the drop-down menus. If you want these options to trigger automatically when an item is clicked, make sure to check the auto pop-up boxes. You can also link a submenu and set the item count to control how many selections a user can make. Most importantly, ensure the Visible in Sales screen box is checked so the category actually appears in Sales screen. Finally, select the designated kitchen in which the category will be visible. Once everything looks correct, click Save, and your new category is ready for business. You can head back to Sales screen and check the newly created category there. Now that we've created a category, let's learn how to add a product. Once again, navigate to the menu ribbon at the top and click on Menu Settings. This time, select Add Edit Products. This interface allows you to manage products. To begin, select the specific menu where this product will live. For this example, we'll select Menu 1. Then, go to the bottom of the screen and click the New button to launch the product creation window. We'll start with the product number. This is a unique ID for quick searching. Let's enter 100,001. Next, enter the product name. We'll add a margarita pizza as shown in sample menu. If your dish has a second name, perhaps in another language or a shorthand for the kitchen, you can enter that in the second name box. Now, link this item to the category we created earlier by selecting pizza from the category drop-down. In the description field, provide the details your customers need to see. For example, in the sample menu, the product description is cheese and tomato sauce. Add this text to the description box. To ensure the order goes to the right place, select your preferred kitchen display. Then, to add an image, click the gray square box to upload an image from your computer. If you don't have a photo yet, you can simply assign a color to the button instead. In the pricing section, enter the purchase price and the selling price. You can also set a loyalty price for members or leave it blank. Don't forget to select the correct VAT percentage to ensure your tax reporting is accurate. For now, we will leave the extra group and multi-choice group empty, as we will cover those in a later video. If your product comes in different sizes or flavors, check the Have Variants box. You'll notice the tabs at the top of the window change. Click on the variant. Under Option Name, we'll type Size. In the option values, enter your specific variations. As shown in the sample menu, the pizza has two different sizes. Enter both sizes in the respective option value fields. We'll add two. Field 1, 10-inch. Field 2, 12-inch. The system allows you to add up to 5 variants. Once these are entered, you can adjust the individual prices and even assign unique images for each size in the bottom section. Double-check that all your prices and variants are correct. Then click the Save button. Your new product is now created and ready for orders. Let's check the sales screen. Here, you can see the product is ready for sale. As you can see in the cart, the pizza has been added with the selected variant and product description. Now we will move to next step and learn how to create a multi-choice item. To create multi-choice item, once again, click on Menu Settings and select the Multi-Choice Items button. This opens the management interface for multi-choice item group. This feature is perfect for allowing customers to customize their orders, such as adding toppings to a pizza. Click Add New to create a new group. In the dialog box, enter a name. We'll use Pizza for this group. You can also assign an image or link specific mix and dressing groups if needed. Once finished, click Save. Now select your newly created group from the Group Name dropdown. We will now create a category within this group. In the bottom section, enter a category name, such as Toppings. If you want every item in this category to have the same price, for example, $1 for any topping, check the Enabled box. Next to Price, and enter 1.00. Next, define the selection limits. In the minimum and maximum boxes, set how many items a customer can choose. Finally, select your kitchen display and click the New button to finalize the category. To add items in your multi-choice category, click on your Toppings category and move to the bottom left section. Enter the item name, for example, bell peppers. If this specific item needs a unique price that is different from the category default, first, disable the Categories option, then enable the Item menu option. Click the New button to add it. You can repeat this process to add as many items as you need. Now we can continue adding more items to our category using the same process. First, click on the Item Name field and enter Olives. If you want a specific price for this topping, just check the Enabled box for price, enter the amount, and hit the New button. Next, let's add onions. Type the name in the field, set your unique price if needed, and click New to add it to your list. We'll do the same for tomatoes. Enter the name, adjust the price settings, and click New. We will now create another category within this group. In the bottom section, enter the name, No Toppings. Since this is for exclusions, you can leave the price as 0.00. Set your minimum and maximum selection limits, select your kitchen display, and click the New button. Now we can add items into the newly created category. Click on the newly created category, No Toppings, to start adding items. Move to the bottom left section, enter bell peppers, and click New. Type olives in the name field and hit New. Enter onions and click the New button again. Type tomatoes and click New. Now, as you can see, in the bottom of Sample menu there are extra toppings option that customer can ask to add to their pizza. Next, we will create a third category called Extra Toppings for those who want that little bit more on their meal. Just like before, enter Extra Toppings in the category name field. If you want a standard price for all extras, you can enable and set it here. Set your minimum and maximum limits. Choose your kitchen display and click New. Click on the Extra Toppings category, and let's add our items one by one in the bottom left section that's shown in Sample menu. Enter pineapple in the item field, set the price, and click New. Type mushrooms and hit New. Next, enter spicy beef and click New. Type lamb and click the New button. Similarly, you can add all your extra toppings items in the same way. Now let's link this group to a product. Navigate back to Menu Settings and click Add Edit Products. Double-click the product you want to modify, such as the margarita pizza. For standard products, if your product has no variants, simply stay on the Main Item tab. Open the Multi-Choice Group dropdown and select your created multi-choice dropdown for that item. For products with variants, if your product has variants like different sizes, navigate to the Variant tab. You will see a multi-choice dropdown next to each specific variant. This allows you to assign different groups to different sizes. After selecting the appropriate groups, click Save. Your multi-choice group is now active. Head over to the sales screen and select the item. You'll see the multi-choice menu pop up automatically, ready for your customers to customize their order. Next, let's explore Notes. Start by navigating to the File button and selecting the Sales screen. This essential feature ensures specific customer instructions reach the chef instantly. Let's process an order. Select the pizza category, choose a margarita pizza, and pick your size variant. When the multi-choice window appears, customize the order with toppings, no toppings, and extra toppings as requested. Once the items are in your cart, locate the Notes button in the middle bottom section. Click on Notes button. A dialog box will open. Simply type your request, like non-spicy, into the dialog box and hit Insert. Your instruction is now attached to the order. In this section, we'll learn how to create and assign submenus. Submenus are ideal for items that require specific flavor selections or additions, where a customer might want to select the same option multiple times. To begin, click Menu Settings in the ribbon and select the Submenu button. This opens the Submenu Management window. Click Add Submenu button. It will open up the window for adding submenu. Let's name this submenu Ben & Jerry's Flavors. Enter a short name for quick reference. Then customize the look by selecting a background color and foreground text color. Now click Save. Now select your new submenu from the drop-down list. To add choices to it, click Add Submenu Item at the bottom. In the Item window, enter the name, for example, cannoli. You can provide a quick find code and a short description like BJ Cannoli Flavor. Just like with products, you can click the square box to upload an image or choose specific colors for the button. Submenus allow for precise price control. In the pricing section, enter your purchase price, followed by the specific prices for different order types. Main price, eat-in, delivery, and takeaway collection. This ensures your margins stay consistent across all platforms. Click Save to add the item to your submenu. Using the same method, you can add multiple items to the submenu. For example, we added another flavor, chocolate dough, from Ben & Jerry's ice cream. To link this to a product, go back to Menu Settings and select Add Edit Products. Choose your product, click Edit. If you're using a submenu to add multiple items at once, set the main price to 0. Make sure each submenu item has the correct price. Now, navigate to the Submenu tab at the top. From here, simply select your Ben & Jerry's Flavors from the drop-down. Important note: submenu versus multi-choice. It is important to remember two key rules. First, one or the other. A product can have either a multi-choice group or a submenu assigned to it, but not both at the same time. 2. Selection logic. In a submenu, a customer can select the same item multiple times, e.g., 3 scoops of the same flavor. In a multi-choice group, a single item can only be selected once. Now let's see how to add extras. Click on Menu Settings and select the Add Edit Extras button. Extras are a great way to offer add-ons like sides or sauces that customers can purchase with their main meal. In the Extra Menu Name field, give your extra menu a title. For this example, we'll call it Extras. And click New. Next, we'll define a category within this menu. Type in a category name, such as sauces or side-ons, and click New. Once the category is created, select it from the list to begin adding specific items. In the Item section, enter the details for your add-on. For example, we'll add chicken nuggets. Enter the sale price, $3.90, the purchase price, and the VAT percentage. You can also upload an image to make the button easily identifiable. Click New to add this item to your extra category. To assign these extras to a dish, go back to Menu Settings and select Add Edit Products. Choose your desired product and click Edit. In the Product dialog, look for the Extra drop-down menu. Select the Extras menu we just created and click Save. Now, these options will be available whenever that product is selected. Let's Let's check the added extra menu on the sales screen. Finally, let's learn how to create dressings. From Menu Settings, go to the Dressing section. Dressings are perfect for items that require a simple yes or no preference from the customer. Click Add New. First, enter a dressing group name. Then, customize the confirmation text. For example, you can set the yes text to Yes Please and the no text, No Please. Click Save to create the group. Select your new group from the drop-down menu. In the bottom section, we'll add the specific dressing items. Enter the item name, sale price. Add brief description, purchase price, and VAT. You can also add an image. Click the Add Dressing button to save the item to the group. To link this to a meal, return to the Add Edit Product window. Select your item, click Edit, and find the dressing drop-down. Now, the dressing option appears. Select the desired dressing, and it will be added to the item. And click Save. Your staff will now be prompted to ask for dressing preferences during the order. That's it. This is how you create a menu in Pixels First Takeaway application. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel and like this video.